Hello everybody, welcome to VDL and OnCAF School. You are with your coach, Mr. Ngom, teacher of English in Pasir High School. And here is our third part of tag questions, part 2. In this part, we are going to see some particular cases different from the basic rules we've seen last time in part 1. So if you haven't seen video 1, you have to see it first before seeing this part 2. Now, the first case of special cases we see in this video is the case of let's, meaning let us. Okay, let's. The third question will be shall we. For example, let's move out. Shall we? Let's move out. Shall we? Example number 2. Let's get going. Shall we? So whenever you have let's plus verb, okay, the third question is shall we. Another case is let. In this case now, let is followed by a object or subject plus verb. Okay, and the third question will be will you or won't you. Okay, both are correct. Let them go out. Will you? So here we don't have let's, we have let. Let them go out. Will you? And number 2, let the girls come in. Won't you? So let only with object verb, will you or won't you. Imperatives. In the imperatives, we have orders. In orders, we have will you or would you. So when you have imperative as an order, it will be will you or would you. Example, sit down. Will you? So sit down in this case is an order. Okay? I say sit down is order. Now, it can be also invitation. If it is invitation, the third question is won't you. So I have a guest at home. I say sit down. Sit down, please. So this is an invitation, not an order. It depends on the pitch of your voice. Okay? Yes, you can have also negative orders or negative invitation in imperatives. In this case, the third question will be will you. Okay? Number 3, don't sit down, will you. Okay? Now, there is also something that you have to know, that is good to know. What is it? I am. I am, the third question is aren't I. Okay? I am, the third question is aren't I. So don't try to say aren't I or something like that. Just say aren't I. Okay? For example, I am the best, aren't I. Number 2, I am always on time, aren't I. Okay? Number 3, I am your best friend, aren't I. It's alright? And when you have D, apostrophe D, contraction, it can be could, it can be would, it can be had. So he'd called the police. He'd called the police. So when you have would plus base form, it is simple conditional. I repeat, when you have would plus base form, simple conditional. When you have had plus past participle, it is the past perfect sentence. Now, here, is it had called or would called? So in my opinion, it is would called because here you have infinitive. Here it is had because we have past participle. So whenever you have past participle, it is had. Whenever you have base form, it is would. So the third question will depend on whether it is would or had. So here, wouldn't he or hadn't he? Okay? He'd called the police, wouldn't he? He had called the police, hadn't he? Now, example number 1, we'd seen the thieves. It is we had seen or we would seen. It's up to you to choose the best answer. We'd do the chores. Is it we had do or we would do? Okay? Depending on what you have already learned a while ago. Yes. So, apostrophe S, he's calling the police. He's called the police. He's called by the police. So, it can be present continuous. In this case, it is to be plus ing. Is calling. So it is calling. In the first case, it's up to you to choose. Number 2, he has plus past participle. This present perfect. So present perfect is formed with has plus past participle, and the passive voice is formed with be plus past participle. To be can be is. So number 1. Is it he is, he has? Number 2, is it he is or he has? Number 3 also, is it he is or he has? And depending on your answer, you will choose the same auxiliary as tag question. And here you have isn't he because it is calling. And number 2, you have hasn't he, because it is he has called. And number 3, passive voice, it is called by the police, so isn't he. Answer to tag question. How do you answer to tag questions? So the answer to tag questions are yes, subject verb auxiliary, or no, subject auxiliary. For example, the hunter shot the tiger, didn't he? Yes, he did, is the answer. Number 2, he has not called the police, hasn't he? No, he hasn't, is the right answer. 3, my uncle can fly a plane, can't he? Can't he is the question, and the answer maybe yes he can't, no yes he can, or no he can't. All right, so let's practice exercise. Make tag questions out of the following statements. Here, the first part of the exercise are some back archives I have taken from the back exam in the last 10 years. Don't put the blame on your roads. It is on one of the back exam in this last 10 years. You received notification about the increase in rental fees. So you put your finger on the pause button, do the exercise, okay, and send me the answers. Please, we'll talk about it. The second part of the exercise is here. You have certain statements, and each statement you must provide a tag question. Okay, so here also you put your finger on the pause button, do the exercise. Okay, so next lesson will be about reading comprehension. Next lesson we'll have a text and some activities. So in the meantime, stay at home and goodbye. Thank you for watching. It was Mr. Ngom.